Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festas 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie. Had a prezzie from my good old mate Ron Hetem with an H. So let's open this up and see what he's treated me to. So a big thanks to me mate Ron. Happy days, mate. So let's have a little snag, shall we, and see what we got. He's been on my Amazon list, isn't he, again? First up, folks. First up, he's been and got me some traditional English teas. And got a message here. It says, a gift from Ron Hetem. Enjoy your gift from a friend that is thankful for being helpful advice on how to improve myself and helps me be a better modeller, from Ron Hetem. Oh, what a lovely note, mate. Thanks for that, Ron. It's my pleasure, mate. That's what we're all about in our little Zoom community, mate. We're all about helping each other, and that's what it is. It improves us as people, improves us as modelers. So big thanks for that, Ron. And we got some traditional teas. We got the classic London bus, Big Ben, or the Queen Elizabeth Tower. And we got a phone box as well, folks. Nice little set of traditional English teas here. And they know that I like my teas. So let's pull these out so that you can see what they are. You've got your little London bus there. Beautifully created little tins there. Let's get my scalpel of folding this, folks. And we'll just trim that little bit of tape that's on there. And then we can open one of these up. Actually, we'll open them all up. Why not? So let's just run that along there. Like that. Try not to press too hard because I don't want to scratch the tin. There you go. Pop. Look at that. It's crammed full of tea bags. Look at these little teas. And it's New English teas, folks. And oh, look at that lot in there. Big old stack. Hey, happy days. So my little bench is going to be like a little tea testing zone, folks. So that's your Tower of London Trafalgar Square bus there. Looking rather sexy, isn't it? And that's Queen in the front there. Yeah, happy days, mate. Look at that one. Which one's Ron? Where's Ron? Shall we have Ron as the conductor? Yeah, there you go. Happy days. So that's the London bus. Then by powers of deduction, you got the Elizabeth Tower there. Work our way round there just to spin that open. There you go. Pop that off. There's another selection in there. Look at that lot, eh? And the beauty of it is as well, is when they're empty with tea, these are perfect little storage containers for the bench, folks. I mean, they really are going to come in handy. Things like your little brushes and things like that, and bric-a-brac that you can just pop in there and store. You know, things like my alligator clips and things like that for standing all my bits of model on that's going to go in the paint booth. It's perfect to store all of them empty ones in, because at the moment they live in a cup just to the one side there, whereas I can have these just lined up with all my little bits and bobs in. Got a phone box going on there, rather purposeful English gent walking past there. Look at that. And again, you got more tea bags in here, folks. Look at that lot. Hey, all day long. It's perfect, isn't it? Absolutely perfect. So we got a set of teas, and he's also been and got me some PCB wire, because he knows I'm going to be doing a bit of electricity soon on the London bus and things like that. And I'm going to be running wire throughout the kit, and I've got other little ones that I'm going to be doing stuff to display information that's going to go back at the bench there. And this is perfect for that. This is really, really thin PCB wire, also known as jumper wire. and it is perfect because that can go across the circuit board, make your connections, and then once the board is finished, I tend to brush on resin and cure it, and then it becomes self-containing. So that is perfect for that because it is super thin, easy to solder. And yeah, and there's a big old bag of that. It's 5 reels in there. And they're going to come in really, really useful for that sort of stuff. Things like my little micro LEDs. I've got a motorcycle that I want to light, a 1/12 motorcycle. And yeah, it's going to be perfect for that because I can run that wire through the frame out of the way and just, yeah, happy days. So Ron, you are a legend, mate. Yet again, you've got me. Nice selection of traditional teas. And we got some bags or some spools of PCB wire. So thank you so much, Ron, for thinking of me, mate. Don't forget, folks, like and subscribe to the channel, and that helps me grow. And if you see Ron in me live streams in the chat, just give him a little nudge and a little thumbs up and an happy hello, because he always thinks of me, and it is really nice that he does. So Ron, thank you so much, mate. So until then, folks, I'm going to love and leave you. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. I'm going to go and have a cup of tea.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,